Hi there, and welcome to EdrawMax. In this video, we're going to show you how to make a fire evacuation plan. Before we begin, let's understand what a fire evacuation plan is. A fire evacuation plan is a scaled drawing of a structure, room, or floor with emergency fire exits clearly marked, as well as the paths people should take to find the closest exit. Now let's learn how to make a fire evacuation plan. First, navigate to File, click on New, and Building Plan from the categories. Now let's go to Fire and Emergency Plan. In this video, we're going to recreate a kindergarten fire evacuation plan. Click on the plus icon to start creating the fire and emergency plan in a new drawing sheet. On the left pane, you can see some structures and symbols in the library section. Here, the evacuation plan requires symbols from the Building Core section of the floor plan library. Now, drag and drop the room shape onto the working area. Resize the room walls based on your requirements, and from the right pane, click on the floor plan to change the properties of the walls. Under the View option, you can also display or hide the wall dimensions. Next, choose your drawing scales with required ratios followed by measuring units, precisions, and wall thickness. Here, I'm going to select 100 millimeters for this video. Resizing the rooms to meet your requirements and copying the similarly sized rooms and placing them on the designated areas can help you build a plan precisely. Select a wall, and you can click and drag to increase or decrease the length, as well as move it up and down. Here I'm continuing to build the plan to meet my requirements by adding walls to the rooms very conveniently. And now I'll complete the floor plan. Now let's add an exit door on the plan, followed by adding doors to the rooms from the Doors and Windows section. Just drag and drop on the wall and it's automatically glued, a wonderful option. You can also customize the length of the door. Similarly, I'll continue adding doors and windows to the rest of the rooms. Add a revolving door and scissor staircase to complete the floor plan. Now, let's start locating the firefighting equipment and signboards in the fire evacuation plan. First, start with labeling the fire break glass. Just drag and drop the signage at the revolving door. Next, locate signboards at both staircases so that one can use them during fire emergencies. Next, position evacuation directions all around the passageways or corridors so that one can leave the building through the nearest door with an exit sign. Now locate emergency phones at required places, preferably at staircases to contact emergency services. And also emergency exit signs, which are most important and necessary during a fire evacuation. An evacuation plan always needs to have more than one exit, and here we have 3 emergency exit doors. Fire hoses are another key piece of firefighting equipment that carry water and other retardant to extinguish the fire. Let's place them on the plan as well. Lastly, let's place some fire extinguishers to complete the evacuation plan. Now navigate to the text option to add the title text with appropriate font size and style. Right-click and choose the Fit to Drawing option to fit the fire evacuation plan on the drawing sheet. Navigate to View and deselect the grid lines, and select a theme to make it look more beautiful. And click on the current page icon to view the diagram in a single frame. Now let's see a few examples of fire evacuation plans you can create using EdrawMax. Here's a hospital evacuation layout. This is a school fire evacuation layout. And here's a hotel fire escape plan. Similarly, EdrawMax has numerous evacuation plan examples to use as resources. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more EdrawMax videos.